Peterman was really accommodating and came right out first thing, the morning that I was available. And they come in and they're professional, they know what they're doing, but they're also educational in the process, which is helpful. I'm Andy Typen from Indianapolis, and I first heard of Peterman commercials for sure, radio. I have been a Peterman customer for about 8 months. We had a very old HVAC unit. You could tell there's a lot of stress on the unit to do, when it's really hot, it was a lot of stress on the unit to make it cold, and when it's cold, a lot of stress on the unit. So we knew that they needed to be replaced, so we did shop around a little bit. I think Peterman was maybe the second people we talked to, and honestly it was the solution that they had to accommodate a very big old home. So we got a brand new furnace, brand new AC unit. We got a whole home humidifier as well, which has worked out really well. In the winter months, the kids are not walking around the house shocking each other anymore. A couple of months into having a new unit, my wife noticed that I think it would have been our cooling bill at the time. She noticed a couple months into it that it cut in half. Obviously, we're excited about that. And now we've had it serviced a few times, and it's gone over well. They've just kind of checked in on us. So that's gone well. And then they also, we had all of the ductwork, the existing ductwork cleaned out. My wife and I noticed that this house gets really dusty, and we also had a lot of interior remodeling done at the time. So we went ahead and pushed for the duct cleaning, and it made an enormous difference, less dust and things like that. And we like to think that, I'm sure it helps with the airflow and things like that as well.